Hi everyone. If you're looking for jobs at McDonald's, you're in the right place. I'm Sakina and here's a step-by-step guide to applying for McDonald's jobs. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding internships, learnerships, bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. At McDonald's, they believe that the best people work for McDonald's, so if you've got enthusiasm, responsibility and drive, then you could be on your way to starting your McDonald's career. Applying for McDonald's job vacancies is actually quite simple. First, you visit the McDonald's career site. Then, you can search by what type of work you're looking for and your location. A list of the current McDonald's job vacancies will then come up. Click on the Apply Now button on the job you're interested in and this will take you to the job listing. You'll see all the details for the job advert here. Once you decide that you want to apply for that McDonald's job, click on the Click Here to Apply Online button. Complete the form with the details needed and upload your CV. That's it. To work at a McDonald's franchise, you need to have a South African ID, be able to work retail hours including weekends and public holidays, and have a minimum qualification of grade 10 or equivalent. Be sure to submit your latest CV with your most recent position and outline everything you can about your most recent role. Another tip for your CV is that if you've been out of work, you'll have a gap in your employment history. To turn this around, show that you used that time productively, such as with personal projects. We also have other guides for applying for jobs in South Africa that you should definitely check out. Head to our website to find out more about how to apply for jobs, CVs, and other career advice. Comment down below your top job search tip and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.